If games are on your holiday wish list, this Purple Alphabet holiday gift guide has got you covered. I have an awesome video filled with game ideas, and we have a giveaway that is sponsored by Goliath. Hey you guys, it's Christina from the Purple Alphabet. More Purple Alphabet holiday gift guides today. And if you have missed the ones in the past, it's not too late to enter to win. So go back, I'll put a link down below in the description box, and you can go back and watch the previous ones that we've shown this month, and you can enter those. Also, subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss on the ones that are coming up, because there are still more gift guides coming, which means more giveaways coming too, and you don't want to miss any of that. Make sure to also share the holiday gift guides with your friends, because I couldn't do this without your support, and that really helps. We're gonna have the giveaway details at the end of this video, so make sure to watch out for that secret bonus clue so you can score even more entries, but more on the giveaway details at the end of the video. Let's get started talking about some of these games. Goliath has a lot of fun variety, so I always like including them in the gift guide. We're gonna start off by talking about Johnny the Skull. So the reason why I like Goliath games is because they're a little quirky and a little bit different. They always have this little element of something unexpected. Johnny the Skull Pirates Cove. This is for one or more players ages 4 and up. So this one comes with one pirate ship and one Johnny the Skull skeleton. Look how cool this pirate ship is. If you love pirates, you are gonna love this one. It also comes with one pirate blaster to play the game. So what we're trying to do here is we're gonna destroy as many pirate ghosts as possible within 90 seconds to get the treasure. On the back of the pirate ship, there are difficulty levels. 1 is the easiest and 4 is the hardest. So you're gonna choose the one that works best for you. And the ghosts will appear and disappear faster with each difficulty level. When you start the game, there are 6 different ghosts swirling about. They're using the little lights here on the side of the pirate ship. This works best in a darkened room. So it's kind of hard to show you on camera, but I'm going to do my best. When a ghost is projected on the wall, you're going to point the little pirate blaster at the ghost and press the button to destroy the ghost. There's going to be multiple ghosts projected at the same time. I'm just showing you 1 or 2 that are right here on my table. You are going to want to hit as many as you can. And when a ghost is hit, it's going to grunt and snarl. If it's missed, it will laugh. When you hear several coins jingling, this means you have successfully banished the ghost and discovered the treasure. You don't hear the jingling coins, but the pirate tune play. The pirate ghosts have succeeded in protecting the treasure, and the game has ended. Next up, we have Rattlesnake Jake. Rattlesnake Jake for 2 or more players ages 4 and up. So of course you're gonna get one Rattlesnake Jake, and you'll notice that his neck is a little long. I'll show you how that works. He comes with a really cool cowboy hat because it's Rattlesnake Jake. There is a double-sided fake coin and 16 gold nuggets. So in this one, the object is that the player with the most gold, when the last nugget has been stolen, wins. So what you do to get started, you're going to turn him on with the switch on the bottom, and then you're going to push his head all the way back into the lining. He goes in the middle of the playing area, and we're going to place all the gold nuggets inside. And of course, we cannot forget his hot. All right, so the game instructions say that you have to look Rattlesnake Jake right in the eye as you steal one of the gold nuggets and place it in front of you. So each player is going to be allowed to take their first gold nugget for free, but if you want to try your luck, you can flip the fate coin, and that will give you an opportunity to grab a second gold nugget. But you have to be careful because you don't want Rattlesnake Jake to attack. So the nugget side of the coin is where you get to take a second nugget, and if you succeed, you can keep it and try your luck for a third and final nugget. As you see here, as you put a little bit of pressure on the game, his little rattle starts to vibrate and make a noise each time you try to take a nugget. And there we go. And from a different angle, so you can see how far his neck goes. For all of those dinosaur lovers out there, Dino Crunch. This box is a lot of fun too. I don't know if you can see that, but it actually looks like he's moving. This is Dino Crunch. It's for ages 4 and up for 2 to 4 players. What you're gonna get is one dino and a dino nest playing base. So basically your dinosaur is gonna sit on top of this nest because he has stolen eggs from another dinosaur. And he has put them on his nest, and the other players must try to rescue the eggs. You're also gonna get one die, and this die has all kinds of colors on it so you know how to play, and then 20 eggs. 5 blue, 5 red, 5 green, 5 yellow, which is great for color recognition, by the way. And my favorite part of this is a pair of tweezers. You're going to use those tweezers to retrieve the egg from under the dino's nest. If that's too hard, you probably use your fingers and be just fine if they haven't developed those fine motor skills, but this is a great way and a great opportunity to learn that. Gameplay is so simple. All you do is turn the dinosaur on, push him back, and put all of the eggs into his nest. Then you're going to roll the die, and whatever color comes up, that's the color you're going to get from underneath the dino's nest. You need to be careful because you don't want the dino to attack. If the dino attacks while you're retrieving the egg, you lose the egg and it's no longer yours. But if the dino doesn't attack, you get to keep the egg for a point for yourself. On the die, there's also an X mark, and this X mark means that you skip your turn. And if you get the multiplayered part on the die, you get to pick any dino egg you would like. Game continues until all but one player has been attacked by the dino, and the last player remaining is the winner. Now let me show you what happens when the dino attacks. I'm just gonna keep on going here to see so you can get an idea. There we go, because it kind of did scare me. Some parents might be grossed out with this one, but I encourage you to give it a shot because the kids love it. It's Burping Bobby. Burping Bobby is for 2 to 4 players, ages 4 and up, and you might think this one's a little bit silly, but the kids absolutely think it's really, really cute. You, of course, are going to get 1 Burping Bobby. Isn't he cute? Look at him. 18 food tokens, I'll get to that in a minute, and 1 water pipette. So your object on this one is to be the player with the most points when the hippo burps. And yes, this hippo does burp. Setting up Bobby is really easy. All we need to do is turn him on, and then to fill up the pipette with some water, take off the ears and squeeze the water right inside and replace the ears back on, and he is ready to go. Now the game tokens each have a different food item on them. We have garlic, onion, soda, cheese, pizza, or beans, and each one's assigned a different amount of numbers. And these numbers are what you're going to use to turn the crank on the side of Bob. So first person goes and they claim what they are hoping to get when they pick up a coin. So they're going to say pizza or cheese or soda, and if they pick up that, they get to keep that game token. If they don't pick up that one that they called out, they have to put it inside Bobby's mouth to feed him, and then they have to turn the crank that amount of times. What's really cute is when you turn the crank, you can hear Bobby chomping and eating, maybe a little burp here and there, but then every now and then, if it's your token, you might get a very, very surprise burp. Now there is a little bit of water in here, so when he burps, I don't know if you can really tell with the camera, there is a very fine mist coming out. It almost looks like a fog, and there's a green light inside that makes it look like a green mist. And of course, he makes a really loud burping sound. It's going to incite lots of giggles in your house. So the game ends when the hippo burps. The unlucky player that he burps on is going to lose their highest food token if they have any, and then you want to be the player with the most points in front of you to win. When you're all done, you want to get your tokens back. They're stored right inside. So turn Bobby around, lift up the flap, and all of your tokens will come out, and you can play again. Let's talk about the giveaway details. First things first, subscribe to the Purple Alphabet YouTube channel if you haven't already. After you do that, leave me a comment down below telling me which game was your favorite, which one you would want to win. To officially enter to win the giveaway, use the link that's in the description box. You must be 18 years of age or older and have a US postal address. Goliath is sponsoring this video, and the greatest thing about it is you get to pick the game you want to win. All right, you guys, go back, enter those other giveaways that have already been posted. Make sure to turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any upcoming ones. I really appreciate you sharing all of the giveaways that we have on the channel. It really means a lot to me. Click subscribe to see more videos like this and give me a thumbs up to show your love.